How to scan, upload a government-issued ID? Go to salvagereseller.com. Click the Sign In button located on the right side of the header. Next, you need to enter the login credentials you received from us by email. After entering your email address and password, click on Login. Then click on the Identification tab. Then select Upload Document. Next, upload your ID, driver's license or passport from your device, or enable the webcam to scan the document. Make sure your ID fills the entire camera screen, with little to no background. Make sure to load the front side of your ID, then scan the back side. Once the documents are loaded correctly, select Submit. Following these steps, you will have successfully uploaded your ID. Salvage Reseller, the most convenient place to buy salvage cars.